Hello, I'm Sridhar. I'm discussing about the topic of acids and bases. In this, I'm going to explain the calculation of oxidation number of an element in an atom or ion. Okay, in this topic, we have to know about the how to calculate the oxidation number of the all elements. But we know in last class we discussed about the what is an oxidation number, rules for determining the oxidation number. The oxidation number of some important elements is usually hydrogen plus 1. In metal hydrides, the hydrogen oxidation number is minus 1. Generally, the oxygen oxidation number is minus 2. In special case, in peroxides, it is minus 1. Halogens, these are having minus 1 oxidation state. First year group metals are taken as plus 1, that is first year group elements mean hydrogen, except hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, these are having plus 1. Halogens like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, like that. Those are minus 1. In second year group elements are the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These oxidation numbers are plus 2. For third year group elements, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. In that metals, the oxidation number is taken as plus 3. Already we discussed the some rules for the calculation of oxidation number of the elements. Now again we are discussing in this topic also before going to calculation of oxidation number of an element in the molecules and ions. First of all, the algebraic sum of the element of the oxidation number of all the atoms in a molecule must be equal to 0. The algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a molecule must be equals to 0. Example, H2SO4 is there. In that hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen atoms are there. Each element is having the some oxidation number. Those sum is equals to 0. In a polyatomic ion, the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the elements must be equal to the net charge on the ion. Okay, simply in ionic states of any ions, those sum of the elements oxidation number sum is equals to the their charge of that ion. The oxidation number of the atom to be calculated is assumed as x. Okay, when we going to calculate any uh, oxidation number of an element, okay, those can be treated as x. Okay, in the case of molecules, the sum of the elements in a molecule is taken as 0. If it is an ion, the sum of the elements in that ion is equals to its charge. Now we discuss about the one problematic. In examination point of view, the compulsory asking the question on the calculation of the oxidation number. Okay, first of all we have to calculate the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 molecule. First of all, let the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 to be equals to capital X. The oxidation number of potassium is +1. It is a first A group element. The oxidation number of oxygen equal to -2. The oxidation number of manganese is going to be calculated is treated as X. Here this KMnO4 molecule is formed by the three different elements, that is potassium, manganese and oxygen. The sum of the oxidation numbers of these elements must be equals to 0. Already it is a rule. Okay, that is K plus manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to 0. But we know the potassium oxidation number is +1. The manganese oxidation number is treated as X. The 4 into the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. This equals to 0. Then +1 plus X -8. 4 to the 8. Here it is minus is there. That is -8 equal to 0. Then x minus 7 equal to 0. Then x equal to 7. Then here, therefore the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is +7. Okay, whether the calculation, after the calculation the answer is correct or not, we can determine, that is the oxidation number of any element, the oxidation number of any element should not exceed its group number. Then manganese is d block element, in that it is not exceeded its group number, so it is the right answer. The next one is calculate the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Okay, in this, first of all we have to assume the calculated chromium element oxidation number is treated as X. Then first we know the oxidation number of potassium is +1 because it is first A group element. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Already we know it is usually it is -2. It is a normal oxygen. And next one is 2, that the sum of the oxidation number of atoms in this potassium dichromate is equals to 0. Okay, it is made up of potassium, chromium and oxygen. Okay, those can be write it as 2 potassium plus 2 chromiums plus 7 oxygens equal to 0. Because of it is in a molecule, the sum of the oxidation number of elements in a molecule is equals to 0. Then 2 into +1 plus 2 into x plus 7 into -2. Okay, then it equal to 0. Plus 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Then x equal to plus 12 by 2. Then x equal to +6. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate is +6. Here also the chromium oxidation number is not exceeded its group number. Okay, now in the case of ions, now just now we discussed about in the molecules. Now we have discussed about the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus ion. Okay, in the case of ions, the sum of the oxidation number of uh, atoms in the ions is equals to its charge, that is -1 here. Okay, that is the oxidation number of, let us assume that manganese oxidation number is x, then oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Let the oxidation number of manganese is treated as x. Then manganese plus 4 into oxygen equal to -2 according to concept. Then manganese is treated as x plus 4 into -2 equal to -1. Then x minus 8 equal to -1. Then x equal to -1 plus 8 equal to x equal to plus 7, where manganese oxidation number is, therefore the manganese oxidation number in this manganate ion is plus 7. Okay, let the calculation of oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ions. Okay, here also it is the algebraic sum of ions in ions of oxidation number of elements in this ion is equals to its charge, that is -2. Then here oxidation number is -2, therefore sulfur plus 4 into oxygen equal to -2. Then sulfur is treated as x plus 4 into -2 equal to -2. Therefore then x minus, then x plus -8 equal to -2. This equals to x minus 8 equal to -2. Then x equal to -2 plus 8. Then x equal to plus 6. Therefore the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion is -2, sorry, plus 6. Okay, in this topic we learned about the rules for the calculation of the oxidation number and calculation of oxidation number of some of the atoms like manganese, sulfur and chromium. Now we are discuss about some quiz answers. That is, the oxidation number of manganese in MnO2 molecule is +2, -2, +4, -1. Okay, this can be calculated. The algebraic sum of the elements in the molecule, the algebraic sum of elements oxidation number is equals to its 0, because it is a molecule. Manganese oxidation number is treated as plus x plus 2 into -2, then answer is plus 4. The oxidation number of chromium in chromate ion is plus 4, -2, plus 2, plus 6. In this, right answer is plus 6. Just now we discussed about the K2Cr2O7. Okay, and similarly here in the place of potassium we have to take it as equal to -2. It is an ion. Then frequently asked questions in this topic is, what is the oxidation number? Calculate the oxidation number of the following, like manganese in KMnO4, chromium in K2Cr2O7, iron in FeSO4, etc. Thank you.